Right, welcome to this beautiful 992 Targa. It's a 911 Targa 4 GTS. It's a big old long name, but it's gorgeous, isn't it? Yes, it's a stunning bit of kit. However, as nice as a car can have some faults. And this one had a shocking sound system in it. Considering what it is, the owner said that he could drive it along and things, and there was just no volume. And when he really had to wind it up, it just sounded awful. And it was horrible because it had just absolute bog standard, basic sound system in it. So that was the brief we were given. We were given, just please, can you improve it? I want it to sound louder for starters. I want it to be crisper, cleaner, and more depth to it, because currently there was nothing. It was just weak and limp. So that's what we did. We went with fitting some Audison gear, but going down the DSP route so that we can then tune it and create a lovely soundstage for the owner. And then also, obviously being a DSP, we can then tune each speaker and allow all the certain frequencies to go where we want them to go, so it can sound as best as it can, and also be as discreet as you can. So let's go around the side and we'll have a bit of a look, but obviously you can't see a lot because it's all discreetly fitted. So as I said, everything is all tucked away in factory locations. Obviously, it's a gorgeous interior, and we don't want to have anything on show, and just want it to all nice and discreet, but working as well as it possibly can. So we've gone with the Audison APK 165Ps with the P on the end. That just means they can take a bit more grunt, a bit more power, and also they are spec'd so they can hit a slightly lower frequency. So not gone for a sub in this case, but they're able to play those lower end frequencies and play them really well, real crisp, real tight, and you get a real lovely warmth throughout the whole car now. And then obviously everything is fitted in their factory locations using specially made 3D printed adapters. We didn't make them ourselves because we haven't got a 3D printer, but they were made to fit, because this comes with 8 inches standard, but they're poor, flimsy, horrible things. So we've gone with a slightly smaller speaker, but as I said, really packs a punch, really good speaker. And then the tweeters have also had custom made 3D printed little plates that they then fit onto and fit into the factory locations, all get bolted in nice and tight and solid. Actually, the reason this sound system was so poor was because it was a non-amped factory system, which is pretty rare. So normally you would have down under the passenger carpet down there'd be a little amplifier under there, under a metal grill and things, and that would be in there doing its job. But this one had nothing. So I had to make a custom pad and everything area for the Audison. It's an AFM 8.14 bit DSP amplifier to be mounted, and then with a little kind of heat and protection grill to go over the top of it from the carpets down over it. But yeah, so that all had to be made and mounted down there. And then because we weren't working with factory amplifier plugs that were already there, we then obviously had to find the factory speaker cables and then run them into our amp so we could use those high level inputs, and then also run our own output straight out to the speakers as well. So that's everything that's in there really, and obviously there's not a lot to look at apart from everything you can now see throughout the video. And you'll also notice that we did 3-stage sound deadening throughout the doors, like with all our higher end audio installs. Outer skin gets fully treated, then any sort of regulator panel, that all gets fully treated all around the speaker mounting area itself. And obviously on the back of the door card, you get the 15mm noise absorber. Kind of had everything it can now, and I imagine when the customer comes to pick it up and starts listening to it, he's going to be pretty blown away by how it now sounds compared to how it was. So yeah, that's about it really. This is a beautiful 992. Obviously, you don't have to have quite such a serious car to come here and have an audio upgrade. Whatever it is you've got, we can work something out that'll make a big difference to your listening enjoyment in your car. So whatever car you've got, come down and come see us, have a chat with us, get in contact on the contact form and things, and yeah, come and see us, and keep watching all the videos, follow all the socials, and thanks for watching.